OnePlus 7T Pro price slashed following OnePlus 8 Pro launch. Following the launch of the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro, the Chinese smartphone company has slashed the prices of its previous generation flagship smartphone, the OnePlus 7T Pro. The smartphone, which was earlier priced at 53,999 rupees in India for the 8GB, 256GB model, is now listed at 47,999 rupees, a 6,000 rupees price cut that's bound to entice users waiting for OnePlus to drop prices, or at least that's what the company is hoping for. Personally, I feel this is a weird spot to be putting the OnePlus 7T Pro in. It doesn't offer anything that would make it a better buy than the OnePlus 8, which starts at 41,999 rupees. The only thing better about the 7T Pro is a totally bezel-less, immersive display, which is not enough to make someone spend extra money to get a smartphone with a Snapdragon 855 Plus as compared to the Snapdragon 865. As a quick recap, the OnePlus 7T Pro comes with a 6.67-inch 3120 by 1440 display with 90 Hz refresh rate. It packs in the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor paired with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, and a triple camera setup on the rear with a 48MP primary sensor along with a telephoto and an ultra-wide-angle lens. The phone also packs in a chunky 4085 mAh battery. The company hasn't dropped prices on the McLaren Edition OnePlus 8 Pro, which comes with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, and is still listed on the OnePlus website at 58,999 rupees.